everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a cold glow coloring for your clips in CapCut. So first, just add the clips you want to edit and then go straight to adjust, and you can follow this setting. So for the brightness, you need to increase it a little to around 4 or 3, and then the contrast is 7. Saturation, lower it to -20. Then for exposure, increase it to 5, and sharpness all the way to 100. Then click on the highlight and increase it to around 13. Now click on a shadow and lower it to -5. Temperature 20. And the hue -5. Now add some fade effect around 20. Okay, so now go to filter, click on the filter tab, find the food category and select the gourmet to filter to around 60. Like this. Now click on the check icon and add another filter. So go back, click on filter again. Now click on the live category and add the cold filter. This one, and adjust it to around 40. Okay, click on the check icon, and now you need to go to the video effect and add the edge glow effect. Here, click on the lens and find at glow. Okay, this one, and adjust it to around 20. Click on the check icon and apply it to the entire clips. Now for the last effect, add the luminance effect that you can easily find under the nature category. Okay, this one, luminance. Adjust the intensity to only 20 or 15 to 20. And then the filter to around 25 and rotate 30. Okay, so you're done. Just click on the check icon and that's it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.